Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a group chat on Snapchat. So watch this video till the end. Making a group on Snapchat is the best way to have all of your friends in one place. You can send messages to them and even play games with them after you create a group. You can add up to 100 friends when you create a group chat. So let's get a new Snapchat group created. First, you need to open the Snapchat app on your phone. Then click on the text bubble icon. Now click on the blue message icon to start a new chat. And then click New Group. Tap on New Group Name at the top of the page to name your group chat. Search for your Snapchat friend to add in your group chat. Then click on Chat with Group. And hence the Snapchat group is created. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.